Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Vinted balance. It's super simple, so let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open your Vinted app on your phone. Then you want to tap your profile icon, that little person icon at the bottom. And then from there, go ahead and tap balance. Now, this is where you'll see everything: your available balance, your pending balance, and your full payment history. And here's what each section means. Your pending balance is money from recent sales that Vinted is still holding, and this usually stays pending until the buyer confirms everything is okay, typically about 14 days after delivery if there are no issues. Your available balance is the money you can actually use, and you can spend it directly on Vinted or withdraw it to your bank account. Just remember, before you can withdraw anything, you'll need to activate your balance by adding your personal details and bank info. And that's it. Quick and easy. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.